Again, I welcome you to my online class. Today we shall discuss about understanding the lesson means questions and answers. Now we shall start question answer. Let's start. The first question is, who is Dilip? Who is Dilip? What is he like? Who is Dilip? What is he like? Dilip is a student of science at Devnagar College. He is a brave young man. Who is Dilip? Dilip is a student of science at Devnagar College. What is he like? He is a brave young man. He is a brave young man. He is a brave young man. Dilip is a student of science at Devnagar College and he is a brave young man. Next question. Has he any belief in ghosts? Has he any belief in ghosts? Answer is no. He has no belief in ghosts. He has no belief in ghosts. Here Dilip has no belief in ghosts. Number C. Where did his friends challenge him to go and when? Where did his friends challenge him to go and when? Answer is his friends challenged him to go to the village graveyard at the dead of night. His friends challenged him to go to the village graveyard at the dead of night. Next question. Has Gautama seen any ghosts himself? Has Gautama seen any ghosts himself? Answer is no. Gautama has not seen any ghosts himself. No. Gautama has not seen any ghosts himself. Next question. Where is the banyan tree? Where is the banyan tree? The answer is the banyan tree is in the middle of the graveyard. Where is the banyan tree? The banyan tree is in the middle of the graveyard. Next question. What will Dilip do with the red ribbon? What will Dilip do with the red ribbon? Dilip will tie the red ribbon on the tree, on the branch of the banyan tree. Dilip will tie the red ribbon on the branch of the banyan tree. What will Dilip do? Dilip will tie. What will Dilip do with the red ribbon? Dilip will tie the red ribbon on the branch of the banyan tree. Next, G. How much did Arun bet Dilip? How much did Arun bet Dilip? Answer is Arun bet Dilip for 500 rupees. Arun bet Dilip for 500 rupees. How much? 500. How much did Arun bet Dilip? Arun bet Dilip for 500 rupees. Next, H. When did Dilip set out towards the graveyard? When did Dilip set out towards the graveyard? Answer is Dilip set out towards the graveyard in the middle of a new moon night. Dilip set out towards the graveyard in the middle of a new moon night. When did Dilip set out? Dilip set out towards the graveyard in the middle of a new moon night. When? The middle of a new moon night. Next question. What did he see under the banyan tree? What did he see under the banyan tree? He means Dilip. What did Dilip see under the banyan tree? He means Dilip saw a woman wrapped herself in a red sari under the banyan tree. He saw a woman wrapped herself in a red sari under the banyan tree. He, here Dilip saw. Next, J number. Was the black creature really a ghost? Was the black creature really a ghost? Who was he? Answer is no. The black creature was not really a ghost. Who was he? He was Arun. No, the black creature was not really a ghost. He was Arun. Next, why did Arun and Malay disguise themselves as ghosts? Why did Arun and Malay disguise themselves as ghosts? Answer is Arun and Malay disguised themselves as ghosts because they did not want to lose the bet. Arun and Malay disguised themselves as ghosts because they did not want to lose the bet. Who said these words? Who said these words? Who said, yet there are ghosts? Who said this? Gautam said this. Yet there are ghosts. Don't think yourself very bold. Don't think yourself very bold. Who said this? Arun said this. Arun said, don't think yourself very bold. Arun said to whom? Dilip. Can you show us a proof? Who said this? Malay. Malay asked Dilip, can you show us a proof? Then will you believe me? At last Dilip said, then will you believe me? I will tie the red ribbon on the branch of the banyan tree. Then will you believe me? Dilip said this. There is a crossword puzzle for us. We have to find out the words, and there are clues to find out the words. First, you see a box. There are some letters, and there are some where there is no letter. We have to find out the letter in the blank box. First, P dash TCH, and here the clue is it is something black. It is something black made from coal tar. Made from coal tar, and its color is black. You have seen on the road. ତୁମେ ମାନେ ଆକୁ ଦେଖିଛ ରାସ୍ତା ଉପରେ ପଡ଼ିଛି କୁଲତାରୁ ତିଆରି କଳା ରଙ୍ଗର ରାସ୍ତା ଉପରେ ପଡ଼ିଥିବା କଳା ରଙ୍ଗର କ'ଣ? What is that? Pitch. Pitch. ଏଠି ଆମେ ଲେଖିନେବା pitch. ଲେଖିନେବା pitch. 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 Number 2, here BR-NC-। এই শব্দটা ମଧ୍ୟ ଆମ ବହିରେ ଅଛି। B ପାଖରୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହୋଇଛି ଏବଂ ଶେଷଟା ନାହିଁ। ତ କ୍ଲୁରେ ଅଛି କ'ଣ? ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଏ ପାର୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଏ ଟ୍ରି। ଗଛର ଗୋଟେ ଅଂଶ ଯେଉଁଟାକି B ଆଉ Rରୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ। ଆମେ ଲେଖିଦେଇପାରିବା ଏଇଟା କ'ଣ ନା ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ୍ ବ୍ରାଞ୍ଚ branch, branch. And number 3, a small word, ag dash, ag dash. क्लो अच्छी एज इ भी ही परिबो एज, मात्र आमको ये क्लोज अनुजाई जो सूचना अनुजाई जीवाक पड़ो। बैक इन टाइम फ्रॉम द प्रेजेंट, वर्तमान लु किछि समय पूर्वरु, किछि समय पूर्व पछुआ, तो ये एज हम नहीं, तेणु कौन हम एगो। तो आम बर्तमान एगो लिखि नवा। नेक्स्ट हूँ कॉमन वर्ड, जोटा कि आमर टाइटल अच्छी विषय रो ना रे अच्छी जी डैश डैश एस टी, आम क्लोज देखि नवा। स्पिरिट ऑफ ए डेड पर्सन, स्पिरिट ऑफ ए डेड पर्सन, मृत व्यक्तिर आत्मा। कौन सीटा घोस्ट, घोस्ट लिखि नवा। घोस्ट घोस्ट हो गला। नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट आसला कौन, नेक्स्ट आसला आमर एटी टी डैश एन के एल ई एल डैश, तो एटी से कुछ ए लाइट रिंगिंग साउंड, लाइट रिंगिंग गोटे साउंड, साउंड ऑफ आम कौन कौन सब साउंड शिखी जानी सबू पशु पक्षी मानकर साउंड आम जानी, यहाँ पशु पक्षी साउंड नुहे, सी कौच लाइट रिंगिंग, रिंगिंग रिंगिंग साउंड, ताले कौन द साउंड ऑफ एंकलेट्स टिंकल, तो टिंकल ये आम टिंकल लिखि नवा। टी आई एन के एल आउ ई लिखि नवा, ई लिखि नवा। टिंकल, तो आम यहाँ एक्रॉस करदेलु। बर्तमान डाउन रे देखा कौन सब शब्द अच्छी, तो डाउन रे अच्छे ए जी आर डैश डैश, ए जी आर डैश डैश, एडी क्लू रे अच्छी से यस, यस माने हाँ बोलिया माने राजी हवा, दैट इज एग्री, एग्री। एग्री, बर्तमान आम देखिलु एटा एग्री गला तापर नेक्स्ट आम देखा आउ कौटी फांका अच्छी कौटी फांका अच्छी कौटी फांका अच्छी एट फांका अच्छी नंबर 7 रे एविडेंस शोइंग ट्रुथ एविडेंस शोइंग ट्रुथ एविडेंस शोइंग ट्रुथ तो ये आमको जना जाऊ नहीं एटा ऑलरेडी हो जाइए PROOF प्रूफ ऑलरेडी एटा 7 नंबरटा आम एपटू जो करूँ सीटा आपे आपे प्रूफ हो गला प्रूफ नंबर 8 थिक मेन स्टेम ऑफ ए ट्री थिक माने मोटा मेन स्टेम ऑफ ए ट्री जो गछर गंडी व्हाट इज द अदर नेम ऑफ स्टेम ऑफ ए ट्री that is trunk बर्तन में ट्रंक लिखा trunk that is trunk number 9 it is a bird here it is a bird you can't see in a daytime bird it is not seen in the daytime you can't see in daytime तमें डे टाइम रे जदि देखा न हुए तले राति रे देखा जाए दिन जदि देखा न हुए तले राति रे को पक्षी देखा जाए को पक्षी दैट इज आउल आम ये आउल लिखी नवा तो आउल हेल्ले कौन एन नहीं गला एटा को W करदे तो आउल हो गला तो तापरे very big number 10 last number very big इधर सबू फिलअप हो केवल गोटे शब्द गोटे लेटर आम जी फिलअप करदे very big को इटा बुझाई जीवो what is that letter huge एठी हमें यूज यू बर्तमान आमर सरी जाइए बर्तमान प्रथमटा है पिच आम देखी नवा इट इज समथिंग ब्लैक मेड फ्रॉम कोलतार पिच it is a branch of a tree it is a part of a tree that is branch back in time from the present ago spirit of a dead person ghost a light ringing sound तले दिया है tinkle then down को बोले yes no sorry yes say yes agree evidence showing truth. Is it your pen? Have you any dash? एटी कौन लिखा है एटा ऑटोमेटिकल जोटा हेइतला दैट इज प्रूफ PROOF प्रूफ थिक मेन स्टेम ऑफ ए ट्री थिक मेन स्टेम गछर मुख्य जो स्टेम टा अछि दैट इज ट्रंक TRUNK ट्रंक it is a bird you can't see in a daytime. Which bird we can't see in daytime? That is owl. We can see owl in the night, in the dark. Very big or great. That is huge. That is huge. In this way, we have collected the words